Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a glycolic acid body pack that will soften and brighten our skin well. Most of us take care of our face well, but usually forget to take care of our body. We can easily do it by using this body pack regularly. The base for this pack is jaggery, which is a good source of glycolic acid. Nowadays, glycolic acid based products are getting popular and for a good reason. Glycolic acid has the smallest size molecules, so they penetrate the skin effectively, making it an excellent exfoliator. It helps prevent collagen breakdown and has skin renewing and anti-aging properties. It smoothens fine lines and wrinkles, and it also treats hyperpigmentation well. Since it effectively keeps the pores clear, it is good for people suffering from large pores and acne-prone skin. The base for glycolic acid is sugarcane. We get glycolic acid-based products isolated from sugarcane in the markets. But we should be very careful about the concentration, as isolated glycolic acid at certain concentration can make our skin very sensitive to sun, and it can also cause severe skin irritation and redness. But if you're looking for a safe and much cheaper way to use glycolic acid, then using jaggery is one of the best ways to do it. It gives all the skincare benefits mentioned before, but without any of the side effects. Take a small piece of licorice root in a mortar and pestle. Add in a piece of organic jaggery too. Now pound to break them into smaller pieces. Licorice, also called as mulethi in Hindi, fades scars and blemishes really well, and I prefer to use the dried roots. But you can also use the powder too. Boil 2.5 tablespoons of water in a pot. Once it comes to a boil, add the pounded mixture. Now let it boil in low flame till the jaggery is melted completely and the color of the water has changed. This will take somewhere around 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, switch off and strain the mixture. If you've used organic jaggery, there won't be any dirt. But if you're not using organic jaggery, make sure to use a fine strainer to strain out the dirt. In a bowl, take 1 part milk powder. Add in 2 parts rice flour. Finally, add in strained licorice jaggery mixture. Now mix well with a spoon to get a smooth mixture. To use, before bath, apply this paste all over the body and wait for 10 minutes. Once almost dry, wash it off. Your skin will be unbelievably smoother and softer after using this body pack. This natural treatment is way cheaper than store-bought glycolic acid treatment, and the most important thing is, it is very safe and it generally agrees with everyone. You can use this treatment weekly twice. If you're a bride, you can use it weekly thrice regularly till your marriage day. And I can guarantee your skin will be radiant and glowing on your big day. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.